my sheets, I'm diving deep, I'm horny. When I slide in you can find in me. It's yours, baby, ride this pony. I'm talking.
What's up, guys? It's your girl Kat. Welcome back to another video. Today, as you can see, I have another mukbang. I have some dumplings right here. Dumplings. Then I have some soy sauce right here to dip them in. And I also made myself a chicken sandwich with some sauce that I invented. It's kind of like Texas toast because I didn't have no buns. Uh-oh. Everything's falling out. So we're gonna try this first because I'm a little excited. I made the sauce like with some spicy sauce, some mayo, some honey mustard. I'm gonna try it. Bite. That's pretty good. I have some water. I actually had to like refill it because I was already drinking it. So I hope everybody's Monday's going great. Mine's going good so far. Hurricane is not here yet. Dumpling. Dipping in some. These are actually kimchi dumplings. So yeah, we are in Florida, and the hurricane's supposed to be here, I think, tomorrow. It's supposed to be here like tomorrow or tonight or something. But so we're located in Tampa. Tampa is on the west side of Florida, so we might not get hit that bad according to what they're saying. But we'll see. Because they don't really even know, to be honest, what this hurricane's gonna do. It was supposed to hit Dominican Republic, it was supposed to hit Puerto Rico, and it didn't do that, so. Actually, I think it did hit Puerto Rico, but not as bad as they said. And my prayers go out to everybody in the Bahamas who is going through the hurricane right now. And I hope that everything turns out for the better, for the good. And just remember that you guys are always blessed. I put some hot sauce in here. Like, I made the sauce separately right now. This has got to be my favorite hot sauce so far. I literally got this like 2 weeks ago and it's already halfway gone. I put it on like everything. Because it's not like too spicy, but it's not like not spicy. I did have some like specific dumpling sauce that I had bought. I think we used it all because I don't see it anywhere in the cabinets, so I'm pretty sure. Because I have bought so many dumplings. These are the last ones I have left. Oh no, and the 2-time spicy ones. I still have some of those because they're spicy. Let me put this chair up a little bit. There we go. It is getting pretty windy outside though. I did notice that because I went to go take Babe to work, and just like maybe an hour ago, and it was so windy. And it sucks because like we work in the mall, which supposedly is safe enough for the hurricane or whatever. Probably not for like a Hurricane 5. They would probably close it if it came straight here. But as of right now, the hours remaining the same. I have to work today at 4. 4 to close, so I'll be there till like 4 to 10, 10:30 or something. And then tomorrow I'm off, but Babe works all day, 11 to close. So 11 in the morning to like 10 o'clock at night. And tomorrow I think it's when it's supposed to like be here, which is like, what happens if all the power turns off? Like, what happens if it's like really bad? I can't get a hold of her, she can't get a hold of me. Like, it's just crazy, because who's gonna go to the mall during a hurricane? Nobody. I wish I could show y'all outside. I have a window like right in front of me, because it's like windy, really windy. We'll probably make a video though, like if it does come like really bad, or we'll try. Oh, also, I wanted to do like a subscriber topic. Well, I wanted to start doing that, or like a subscriber subject or something. So make sure you guys, you could either like comment it in the comment, put it in the comments down below, or in my description I have my email address. Send me an email with a topic or like a story, or you know, any kind of like mainly like a story or like a topic to talk about, or ask me my opinion on like certain things, so that when I make a video I have like something in specific to talk about, and I will I have like a subscriber topic. You get what I'm saying? And then like I don't have to say like who it was if you don't want nobody to know, if it's like, you know, rated R or whatever. Dang, this one's kind of toasty, y'all. But yeah, comment down below or send me an email. So we can get to it. I'm really working, y'all. I'm really working on posting like I was, but work and the kids in school make it like so hard. And I'm sorry if I keep looking like over here. It's because I'm watching myself. That I'll work on. I try to like make as least as possible of the dumplings, because I always end up like not eating all my food during a mukbang. Well, unless I'm eating like noodles or something, but most of the time I don't finish all my food because I cook like way too much. I eat with my eyes, literally. Like I'd be so hungry and then I cook so much food and I don't finish it. But today, I'm finishing all this food, so let me not make too much. These are pretty good. Let me know down below if you've watched till now, 9 minutes. What's your favorite dumpling? Like, what's your favorite dumpling flavor? I like my dumplings like this. Wow. Toasty on one side and soft on the other. I don't know why. I always do that. Or I make it just toasty on all sides. This is my first meal of the day. It is 11:38, almost 12, so it's almost lunchtime. And I probably won't eat until I get to work. I'm gonna have me like a burrito or a chicken bowl or something. Also, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. If you're not and you're just watching this your first time, welcome to my channel. My name is Kat. I do mukbangs, I do vlogs sometimes, and whatever I feel like doing at the moment, basically. Stay hydrated, guys. If you are in Florida, I'm praying for everybody that Florida, Georgia, the Carolinas, wherever this hurricane decides to go. I hope everybody's okay. And I pray that everybody, all of us, make it out safe. That was really good. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below what other videos you would like to see me do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.